So this is a video for people who are beginners to Avid Media Composer. We're going to look at some of these buttons that you may have noticed around Avid Media Composer, but you don't know what they do. So the ones we're going to look at in this video are match frame and find bin. So if you look here, this is match frame, this little button here with the piece of film on it. So what match frame will do is it will take wherever the position indicator is on the timeline and it will bring that footage into your source window, so you can change in and out points or find a different part of the same clip. Now the second button that I wanted to show you really complements the match frame button. It's called find bin, and now this button instantly opens the bin of the clip in the source window. So if you've used match frame already, it'll be the one that you've just found. This allows you to look for other takes or different angles or any other material that's in the same bin as the original clip. Find bin and match frame together are the quickest way to locate media on your timeline. I hope that was useful, and thanks for watching, and please look out for more editing and technical tips from us. Thanks.